Hello guys, hope you all are fine. So today's in this video I am going to tell you about how to apply Visa card in USA. Now here's my first video I am going to open. Here they will tell Visa credit cards whether you are looking for traditional benefits or premium reward. We've got a card for you. Capital One Venture Reward Credit Card, Intro Purchasing etc. Now we can open the website how to apply a credit card in the USA. International. Basically, this the Visa card and credit card are same. So Inc. Business, Unlimited Credit Card, Recommended Credit Store. Here we will see the best credit and Visa card of USA is how to apply a credit card in the USA. If you are an international student studying in the United States, you may want to consider apply for a credit card for the length of your stay. Applying for a credit card in the US can be an immediately concept for many international students, particularly those from countries that are largely run on and cash debit cards. The United States is a largely cashless society, and having a credit card for the length of you stay will be extremely convenient, and it is the essential in establishing a line of credit. Assembling if you want, think like mobile phone or to buy a house. So, if you want, step 1, apply for a social security number. The major requirement that banks have for applying for a credit card is the US in a social security number SSN. SSN are assigned to people who are authorized to work in the US and are used to report your wage to the government and to determine eligibility for the working space in USA. If you are a student studying in the US on as F1, M1 or J1 student visa and are authorized to work in the US, you can apply for an SNN card, SNN number, sorry. So this is our today's video. Hope you all guys are like my video. If you like, please press on a like button, and I hope that you like my video.